So guys, backside, whatever you are seeing is this is IIT Madras campus, and this Hawker aircraft decommissioned from Indian Navy. I will try to explain as much as possible whatever I know in easy words about the components of this aircraft. So let's start. So thank you, Manisha, for this. So now I will explain from this wing. You know, this here we have some this thing, this kind of pitot tube. When this aircraft goes forward, air goes in this pitot tube and it measures total pressure. And here this part we say aileron. This part I'll show you in this thing. This can flip down and up, and just opposite thing on that wing, opposite side. This is called port wing, means left side wing is called port wing, and that is called starboard wing. So that this is called tip of the wing. So tip side, whatever this plate you see, this can go up and down. This is called aileron, and that side aileron will be in opposite of this. If this comes down, that goes up. If this goes up, that comes down. So this provides roll motion to the aircraft. And just after this, whatever plate you are seeing here, even this plate can come down and up. This is called flap. Okay, and you can see this is the exhaust. From here all the hot gases will come out, and same thing is the right side also. And the engine and all, you can see there they have deassembled everything and kept outside. I thought this video I'll make. And one more thing, you see guys, there are different types of intake systems, and I worked on flow disorption in my MS. Currently I'm doing PhD at IIT Madras. You can see this kind of intake systems. Air will go inside when aircraft will go forward. That air will go inside, and then it will go into the engine, and then all the propulsion, everything will happen, combustion, and then from the back side exhaust will go out, and that will produce thrust in the forward direction. So here pilot will sit, and back side everything is like your engine thing is backside completely. Okay, few more things. If I'll see if I can show you something. You can see this is the front landing gear, that is the main landing gear, and this is very too much complicated. So here I don't know exactly what is this, but it feels like some bomb or something may come out. I am not sure about this, but it is very beautiful. Some intakes, if I try to zoom, you see in intakes you have some sections. It is visible now. You can see some sections are there. You can see 1, 2, some sections. It will divide the air, then air will enter into the engine. Okay, I'll try to show some see guys, that side I didn't show you something. That was also to measure one property, I think pressure, to measure pressure. I'm not sure, but oh, it is simply a wire. I thought some instrument which to measure some pressure or something. Fine, I'll show you this thing here. In landing gear, you see this system is there to retract the landing gear inside, and so it is very complex. So it is very interesting, guys, very interesting. And this is in public domain. This is in public domain, means at the aerospace department of IIT Madras, just outside it is kept. You see, I'll show you. You can see there it is written aerospace engineering, Antariksh Abhiyantriki. This is our department at IIT Madras Aerospace department. Yeah.